The Election Commission has published the final voters list for Assam following a special intensive revision exercise resulting in the deletion of over 2.43 lakh names from the electoral roll. According to the Assam Chief Electoral Officer, the final electoral roll now stands at 2.49 crore voters, marking a 0.97% decline from the draft list released on December 27th last year, which had 2.52 crore names. The final list includes nearly 1.25 crore male voters and over 1.25 crore female voters, reflecting a near equal gender distribution. During the special revision process, election authorities identified 4,78,992 deceased electors, 5,23,680 voters who had shifted their residence, and 53,619 cases of multiple or duplicate entries. These deletions were finalized only after the completion of the claims and objections process, officials clarified. Election officials stated that voters whose names were removed due to relocation are not permanently disenfranchised. Under the provision of the Representation of People Act 1950, such voters can apply for inclusion at their new address, even if they were unable to submit applications before the deletion. District election officers have been instructed to carry out rigorous verification checks while processing these requests. However, the special revision exercise has triggered political controversy. Opposition parties have accused authorities of harassing genuine voters, particularly from minority communities. In response, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma had earlier stated that BJP workers had filed over 5 lakh complaints alleging that presence of illegal Bangladeshi immigrants in the voters list. Meanwhile, in West Bengal, the Election Commission has revised the schedule for the special intensive revision following a Supreme Court directive. The final electoral roll for West Bengal will now be published on February 20th. As per the revised timeline, hearing will conclude by February 14th, scrutiny of claims by February 21, and rationalization of polling stations by February 25th. The revision of electoral rolls in both Assam and the West Bengal comes at a politically sensitive time, with the process drawing close scrutiny amid concerns over voter inclusion, transparency, and electoral integrity.